I go to shops all the time, and it's a service that's kind of going away because of electronic power steering, even though we still have some power steering, electric hydraulic power steering. Um, but I go to shops that have that they're looking to get their second power steering flushing machine because they were selling so many of them. This is back when 90% of vehicles all had hydraulic power steering on them. And then I go to shops where, yeah, customers just don't buy power steering services. Now we can never sell them here. We're telling them about it. They're just not buying it. And I said, really? Because I got another shop that they're looking at their second machine. What's the difference? Let me hear your expression. And what they said technically about the power steering was almost spot on what they needed to say, but it was how they were saying it. The number one system in your business is not what you present, it's how you present it. And I liken it this way, and I forget who is a positive motivational speaker had said, people may or may not remember what you tell them, but they'll always remember how you made them feel. How are we expressing peace of mind that Mr. and Mrs. Jones gets it? One of the things in our intensive advisor workshop that we're going to be having here starting in April is how are you as an advisor aware of you've wowed your customer? Well, they recommended us. Yeah, that's a true indicator. But how do you know you've wowed them in this moment? And a lot of them will go, well, because they're not cussing me out. When advisors say that, I go, well, we got to work on that. um, but it's because you pay attention. Are your advisors really in tune? Eh, What's the customer's body language? What's
Yeah.
their
I mean,
tonality? What's their expression? How are they wowed in this moment? When advisors adopt a be here now mentality, be here, be now, be present, when I'm in that mode, I can know whether I've touched that customer's in a place of understanding and a place that that they're wowed. People buy from emotion, they don't buy from logical molecular structure of the fluid. I love talking molecular structure of the fluid, broken fluid and additive packages and all that. In the end, though, I've got to end that sentence on human interaction. I've got to end that sentence on that emotion.